So we're going to do an oil change to a 2016 Acura MDX. This should be the same for any model running from 14 and over. So the first thing we gotta do is locate what the pan is. It's right here where you drain. You can see there engine oil. So that is where we drain the oil. So we just locate that, and we'll go ahead. Since I broke my hex, I'll be using a channel lock to unscrew this. I'm gonna look for my drain pan right now. So basically what you gotta do is trap everything in the can, but get something underneath just in case you leak, and that is to trap any extra leakage from the drain. It's gonna be a bit tough since I just broke my hex. I'll try with an adjustable one. Let me find it out. Ok, so yo encontré una pieza. Ok, bien. No. Sí, pero tengo que meter un chima para abajo. Ahí. Ahí. Ok. Ya. Ahí voy a empezar a botarlo. Ven a ver.
Ya estoy viendo.
Oh, ok.
¿Esto no está grabando, no?
Oh, sí, está grabando. Oh, pues le hago un chorrito. Mira, el tornillo está afuera y todavía no empezaba a botar. Ah, tú ves, ya está listo. Ahí, dame una servilleta.
No.
Quemado este aceite. Y después que conseguís un spray con jabón para pasar al piso.
¿Un spray?
Un spray con jabón, un chin de jabón para pasar al piso, porque no es bueno tenerlo así, porque también tú sabes, uno lo puede dejar así, pero que en realidad con la lluvia, esa gente se va para el tren.
Sí, sí.
¿Para el tren?
¿Qué dónde te llega?
A veces se va para, no sé, el agua llueve, bajo llueve y se va para abajo, tú sabes.
Pues tan fuerte ese aceite.
Sí, una gota de aceite daña como 100 galones de agua. Entonces eso va para el río.
¿Cuál es la servilleta?
Tú sabes, hay carros que le caen en la calle, pero yo soy consciente de eso. A mí no me gusta dejar aceite así sentado. Yo un día en New Jersey le hice cambio la van y boté un ching. Fui para el vaina, para Walmart ese día fue. Y busqué un spray y lo limpié bien.
¿Y qué spray que se usa?
No, porque...
Ven.
Ahora mira, yo traigo esto aquí.
Ven, mamá, ven.
Está
encaramado. Ven, Dara, ven.
¿Verdad?
Está encaramado entero.
Es el cartón.
Lleva la GoPro.
No,
Está bien, está bien. Oh, pero, ¿verdad que? Ay. So, you gotta locate
Oye, que la luz está prendida.
no, porque veía como tú ves.
the oil filter is right under the passenger side, next to the door. See right there? So you gotta unscrew that and be careful. Be careful because you got oil inside. So maybe you can untie it with the hand, maybe not. Oh, no. Okay, I gotta use it too.
pero mira cómo van cerrados la cosa de los garajes. Esto está aquí y eso va abajo.
Okay, this one doesn't fit. So you gotta need a stronger grip. Probably bang. Tiene que unscrew that.
Unscrew para la derecha o para la izquierda.
Allá.
Allá.
Duro.
Oh, que la antena que está
Dime entrar más tarde en la boca.
Oh, sí.
No,
Ven. Oh, esta es la antena, Robin, que te puso directo.
no.
Almost.
Sí.
Oh, yo miré nada más. Ven.
Ya.
Ya, okay.
I got it.
Okay, ya, yo también.
Dale la vez. Se
So,
rompió la muñeca.
gotta be careful with that. Still have some oil.
Sí, you need to be
Otra vez, mira.
Y eso hay que lavarlo.
No.
Y entonces se hace.
You just wipe it off with that. Oh no, eso se bota.
Oh, you got a filter, a new filter.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
So you drain the filter right there. Yep.
Ah, pues no estoy tan fuerte todavía. Porque sentí que me desbarate. Ya tú sabes que todos los cierritos me duelen.
Cuando tú vayas a...
Dame la
Adolorido.
la Bounty que está allá. En el asiento está. ¿En el asiento?
Cuando vayas al gimnasio.
Acabado estoy desbaratado.
No tanto así, ¿no? Por eso tiene un gasket ahí.
So,
So, so you gotta wipe it off. Wipe it off. Make sure it's clean. You don't want your car to be all greasy and stuff. So you're good to go. Okay. So, okay. So you get the new filter. Okay. ¿Dónde está el filtro que estaba aquí?
yo te lo puse ahí.
Oh. Okay, so this is the filter I use. I don't use a specific brand. I just grab the cheapest one that I can grab. You know, it'll do the job. Ay. So. So you get some of the old oil and you grease the gasket. So next time when you change, it's gonna be lubricated. It's not gonna be that hard to unscrew next time. It's right here. Okay, so now dame otra servilleta. Ay. Oh. Nothing. Okay. So now you just gotta screw back in the filter right where it came off. It's gonna be very easy. Just screw it hand tight until you just stop screwing. And just, there it is, nice and snug. Okay, so we got back the filter in, so we gotta go and put the drain plug back in now. Okay. So I see that it's still leaking some oil from the drain plug. So we just give it a minute until it finishes draining. I am sorry. Okay, so we're gonna go back and screw the drain plug back in. Claro. Uh-huh. Okay, so we gotta put the drain plug back in right where we took it from. There it is. Okay, we just get to tie it back together right how it was. And remember that I am using this channel lock because I broke my other hex, and this is the only one that I could find, and I don't have the bit for this side. That's what happens when you're not ready. Okay, you just clean it off. Make sure everything is clean. Remember that you don't want your car to be all greasy and shit. So there it is. Okay. So we're going to proceed to fill it up. So you just pop the hood. Okay. And this is where you fill your oil. Remember, it's gotta be SA 0W20, and that's where it is. And you're gonna need a funnel to fill it up. So since we need a funnel, and I don't usually use funnel, I just find them to be like, or whenever you use it, you gotta clean them off, and that's a bitch to clean it off. So I just grab a bottle and with a blade, I just take off the top part. And the best thing is that anybody has a bottle, so you can just find it anywhere, and there you got a funnel. So you just gotta put it on well, you gotta fill it up, and that's where you get your funnel. It's nice, you know, you won't have a spill from there. So I use a full synthetic 020 oil. So just unscrew it, break the foil seal, and issue my funnel. And I proceed. I usually do the top part first because I just find myself easier to have it. And you just gotta find the right spot, and there you go. Oil is going into the engine. So when you bring back your funnel, just make sure you don't drip anything, and there you go. Don't forget to measure your oil. And it's good. Let's try what the mark is. step is to turn on the engine and let it run for a minute or two, and then you can check your oil again. So time to check your oil level again and make sure it's good. It is clean. And there we go. It's all good. Make sure you don't have anything under your hood. Close it off. And it is time to reset your maintenance minder. And that's how you change your oil on a 2016 Acura MDX. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.